mixed up with the pitch of a voice and the tone of a voice. And tone has a couple of different explanations. One is a tone, whether it is quite a soft tone, it may be a nasally tone. So it's how you hear the sound coming out. We all have a different tone to voices. Some voices are incredibly beautifully easy to listen to. They've got a lovely soft resonance with them. If you're a meditation teacher, that's perfect. Other voices are a little bit scratchy. It's ways of improving the voice and how you do that, and using skills with skilled speaker trainers or speech trainers to do that. But what I'm talking about in tone in this instance is whether you're delivering a happy tone or a very sad tone or an enthusiastic tone to your voice. It's that emphasis in the voice of that tone that you're delivering, and that's what captures audiences. And especially if you're telling a story, you need that variety of tone to be able to really connect with your audience. So videoing yourself when you're doing your presentations and seeing how you go changing the tone of what you're doing and how you're delivering it. My name's Janeen Vosper. My business is Speech Perfect, and this is one of the favorite things I love doing, is helping people change the tone and the way they deliver to create interest in their presentation.